There's mommy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today, we're bringing you a treat, something special we just found today that we hadn't even seen. So we done a Menards video and it didn't have this in there. And we went to Louisville today and found it. So it's called the LED Animated Talking Gray Lady. And she's pretty cool.
She's awesome.
To be Menards and some of their stuff it's okay, but we seen this, we liked it. It was like, oh, it'll look great in the graveyard. So
it's different. It's something different.
So Jen made me get it today.
Nothing.
So
I didn't have to twist his arm too hard.
Let's do the tutorial and show you how easy it is in case you want one. Menards is in Kentucky and up towards north. It's not down south, but you can get on the internet and order it offline. So if you see it and you like it and you want it, you can order it even if you don't have one close to you. So let's get started, guys.
All right, so step one, you put the stabilizing bars on it.
And that's just these. They're a little different than normal. Most times they're just straight, but these are a little turned. So try to show you what I'm doing. Keep my butt out of your face. As somebody has commented on there, we don't want to see your butt. So it's kind of hard when you're trying to do it. You ain't really thinking about that, but I'm trying.
Oh my gosh.
All right. So now we put the M's on.
Put the lower support bar L into the base.
All right. We got M's and L both in here. So you say L, right?
Yes.
And it's got two of them, so I'm assuming it don't really matter which one goes where. And this looks like it should be pretty.
All right, next, add the M on top of the L. All right, you get your circular thing down there, the waistline.
Yeah.
And we're going to shimmy it up this.
Going to shimmy it up. It
says place the support ring K beneath the upper body frame and J. Yeah, and shimmy it up. Well, they didn't write shimmy, but
yeah, that ain't gonna work.
Is it this one?
Let's see, maybe. Let's try that. See, maybe it's that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so that goes on the lower one. I didn't see that, and you got another one on the back, something, I guess. Like this.
Yep. Well, the next step says to put your strings on.
All right.
Tie the cords to the frame loop on the upper body frame and to the ground screws. Connect the electrical supply wire and the try-me. Oh, you don't want the try-me though, right?
No.
Okay. All right. Place the entire piece over the frame. Make sure the opening aligns with the rib cage and the ribs are exposed. So next is her outfit.
Pull it down around the front of it.
Took the wires first, so I got her.
All right. So
can you do that and hold it? Yeah.
all right. Looks like it's got about 4 plug-ins, and they're all color coded, so not really an issue getting them. And then this one's got a white and a yellow. It's 2 of them, but they've got 1 male and 1 female, so you don't get them mixed up. Which one goes where? So just make sure if you get one and you're putting this on, make sure you watch, because there's this little piece right here that is going to be in front of her head. So you had to really look, because we like never found it. Got the hole in it. I don't know if you can see, but right there's the frame. And then there's a wire in there. It's got to be plugged up too. Okay, guys. So we got the left-hand side on. Where these has been put in the box, the arms are a little bent, so you'll have to make sure that you put the one with the wire on it on this side here. And because at first I did it and took it back off because it didn't look right, but it is right. It just, you got to bend it and make it fit in here. Put it in the sleeve and then put it on. All right, you got this one? Because it looks like the arms are twisted at first. It's like, ah, don't go there, but it does. So you got one that goes on top to the hands. The other two actually pull together just to kind of make it a little tighter. Yeah, that's a good one.
This is nice.
All right, got her.
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? Been seeing.
I have wandered in other worlds a year, lost and
Yeah.
unaware of my fate.
So the sensor is right here.
Closer, lest you join me in eternal darkness. I am the guardian of this threshold, a ghostly spectre bound by sorrow. Keep your distance, or risk the icy grip of my final embrace. Tread carefully, mortal. My soul is trapped between worlds, yearning for warmth, yet condemned to bring the approach at your peril.
What you think, guys?
I thought it's pretty awesome.
I think she's cool.
It's definitely different from what we've seen anybody else have.
Yeah, I like her. We just had approval from a neighbor going down the road.
So
It's definitely different. It's something, I don't know. That's what we kind of look for. Something that's just different. And she definitely was. Yes, she probably could be better. But
if you got any questions about this one, she wasn't bad. Her arms was a little bit difficult. Us trying to, you had to bend them to make them fit and stuff. But other than that, everything
the price.
was, yeah. The price, I think it was like
it was originally $329, and you got a $36 rebate.
Yeah, with Menards, they do that on a lot of their stuff. Yeah. So,
but anyhow, we think she's well worth it. Can't wait to see her tonight. We'll put a video on her how she looks. Probably couldn't tell, but she does have light bulbs on top of her umbrella as well. So we will come out here and do a short video on her when it gets dark.
All right, let's go in until it gets dark.
I have wandered in other worlds a year, lost and unaware of my fate. Not come closer, lest you join me in eternal darkness. I am the guardian of this threshold, a ghostly spectre bound by sorrow. Keep your distance, or risk the icy grip of my final embrace. Tread carefully, mortal. My soul is trapped between worlds, yearning for warmth, yet condemned to bring the only air that I know. Approach at your peril.
volume control, but the only thing is it's just a try me button off and then on sensor. That's it. I wish she would light up, have like a lights only. But she's pretty cool though. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.